In this video, I'll show you a new method on how you can recover your Gmail account. Now if you lost access to your phone number or password and you want to access back your account, then follow each and every step shown in the video. And if you find this guide useful, kindly consider giving a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more recovery videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now the first step you need to do, you need to open the browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open my Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in Google Guidebooks, as you can see. Then you click on enter. So here guys, select the very first option, Guidebooks. Now scroll down to topics. So guys, at this point, you need to choose the device you're using. Now for Android users, you go with the very first option. Now for iPhone users, you scroll down and go with this option, Google on iPhone. But since I'm using an Android device, I'll go with the very first option. So click on View Topic. Now scroll down to Lessons, then select View All Lessons. Scroll down to where you'll see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So select Begin Lessons. Now scroll down. As you can see, the lessons are arranged from step 1 to 7. Now scroll down to step 2. So make sure to read this. If possible, try the following to make recovery easier. So number 1, use a computer, phone or tablet you've used to log into your account. Number 2, use the same browser that you usually do. Number 3, be in a location where you usually sign in. So after doing that, click on this link. So now you'll be taken to the account recovery page. Now submit the email address that you want to recover. Then click on next. So sometimes you can be prompted to enter your last password that you remember using. So after doing that, you'll come to this page whereby you see welcome back. So you'll see two options, update password and continue. So update your password. So create a new strong password for your Gmail account, and by doing that, you'll have now recovered your Gmail account without phone number, verification code and password. So that's for today's video. So if you find this guide useful, kindly consider giving a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.